Afternoon, family. It's Sunday, about I don't know, about 6:30. Got a few of them on the roof. Been pushing them up lately. Trying to push them up every day. Let's see what we got here going on. I just seen them come around. All right. You can see little workout. That's pushing them up every day. Going from the grass to the roof. It's really windy today. There you go. Of course, that's not every one of them, but it's a good. All right. Assalamu alaikum. They are kitting together pretty good. I came out to feed them, but I got one of them in there that Saturday ran into the house, broke his wing. Let's take a look at him. Here's my guy. Broke his wing. Shit. Can't take him out. Gotta figure out what to do with him. Alright, got most of them coming down. Well, progress. They're making good progress. I'll give them a little bit more time to come down and then call them in. We're doing pretty good with calling them in. Squirrel. All right. Let's comment, subscribe. Shouts out to all the flyers. Just making progress. Peace.